Welcome to an exploration of the ancient Egyptian Pantheon, a captivating journey that unveils the rich tapestry of mythology, religion, and culture that defined one of the world's most influential civilizations. In this presentation, we will delve into the origins of Egyptian mythology, tracing its development and integration into the daily life of a society that flourished along the banks of the Nile for over 3 millennia. We will encounter a diverse array of deities, meeting the powerful gods and goddesses who played crucial roles in both the spiritual and physical realms. Figures such as Ra, the sun god, Isis, the goddess of magic and motherhood, Osiris, the god of the afterlife, and Anubis, the protector of the dead, will come to life as we explore their significance in ancient Egyptian belief systems. Our journey will also include a look at the sacred rituals and ceremonies that connected the ancient Egyptians with their deities. We will uncover the rites performed to honor the gods, including ceremonies for the afterlife and seasonal festivals that celebrated the cycles of nature and the bounty of the Nile. Finally, we will examine the lasting impact of ancient Egyptian mythology on art, literature, and modern culture, understanding how these age-old beliefs continue to shape our contemporary worldview. The mythology of ancient Egypt is not simply a relic of the past. It has endured through time, influencing countless civilizations that followed. Prepare to uncover the mysteries of the divine beings who shaped this remarkable civilization, and immerse yourself in a world where the boundaries between the mortal and the divine were intricately intertwined through belief, nature, and cosmic order. Join us on this enlightening journey into the awe-inspiring mythology of ancient Egypt,